Mecca has entered heaven. The wind, storm, and flooding in Saudi Arabia are sweeping people away. Strong gusts, pouring rain, and flooding caused havoc as a result of the massive storm that ripped through Mecca, Saudi Arabia. People have been knocked off their feet, and there has been considerable disruption around the city due to the wind's unparalleled ferocity. The video footage shows the full extent of the damage in Mecca, where the powerful winds caused by the intense storm posed a serious risk to both locals and tourists. The dangerous conditions caused by wind gusts up to 100 kilometers per hour made it difficult for pedestrians to move around. There is chaos in the holy city as a result of this meteorological phenomenon. Numerous parts of Mecca have seen significant flooding as a result of the storms accompanying heavy rainfall. Locals and emergency services have come together to help those impacted by the storm's aftermath. Local authorities issued safety warnings as the storm continued, advising people to stay inside and avoid making needless travel plans. As the city deals with the fallout from this unanticipated and extreme weather event, emergency services are working non-stop to support and help the impacted individuals. A path of devastation and disruption has been left behind by the potent combination of strong winds and heavy rainfall. Remember to subscribe to the channel in order to receive updates on the most recent global happenings.